Hello! Did you know that you can join Canva Glow until August 14th at 6 p.m.? Please note, you will no longer be able to switch to the old version of Canva. So let's see how we can switch to Canva Glow. On the Canva homepage, you need to click 7 times on button for you. So click 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here you go. Now we need to click turn it on. I will remind you that if you click this button, you will no longer have a chance to go back to the old Canva page. So if you want to go to the Canva Glow app, you need to turn it on. If you want to cancel, click not yet. So I am going and I am clicking turn it on. And here you go. Yes, congratulations. I hope you like this quick tutorial and see you next time.